So this is a nice study from this month, April 2020, and it's about the difference in the bacteria that is in the poo of babies that have been breastfed or formula fed. And to kind of cut it all down and summarise it, the breastfed infants had more bifidobacteria in, and this is the good bacteria that we kind of want really nicely established in a baby, and the formula babies didn't have that. They had some other strains of formula. So, you know, what can we say? We don't want to go down the way of saying, you know, formula fed babies don't have this and breastfed do have this. You know, that's all just how it is and your choice whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding. But this is my point always with this. Can we make the formula closer to the breast milk? So this study points out that the breast milk had more bifidobacteria in it. Well, what's fantastic is that we can use a probiotic supplement that has bifidobacteria in it. So you can now add that to your formula. So if you're formula feeding, let's make that a bit closer to what breast milk would be by putting in this friendly bacteria, and then your baby gets the benefits of having that good stuff in the formula. So I personally think this is kind of great information and lovely knowledge to have if you happen to have to be or through choice be formula feeding. Well, let's just bump that up with some nice bacteria that is really beneficial to your baby. The science is there that this this beneficial bacteria helps with allergy type symptoms, it helps with colic, it helps with reflux, it helps future health because you're putting all that good stuff into your baby now, and even years down the line they can still find that and still see that it is beneficial to your baby. So it's a really great move to do. Ask me any questions in the comments, and I'll let you know about the probiotic that has bifidobacteria in, which is a really great one. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks.